When you get your new phone, protecting it is one of the first things to do, and for that, what the majority usually does is that they install a tempered glass screen guard, and also they do get a case too. And when it comes to iPhones, well, getting the official case from Apple, even though expensive, is one of the best options. And this video is all about the Apple MagSafe supported silicone case for the iPhone 12 mini, but whatever I say here does apply to the other 12 series silicone cases too. And this is the new silicone case for the iPhone 12 mini, and I've been using it for almost a month now. And my observations are, it's a good case, but still, it's not a value for money case. And talking about value for money, well, the iPhone 12 series official Apple cases are a bit more expensive compared to the silicone cases for the iPhone 11, 11 Pro, etc. because this time Apple has added MagSafe support for the case, and as you might know, MagSafe is Apple's new improved wireless charging system, and if you are a person who uses MagSafe, well then this case is a great option, and we'll get to it. But first, let's take an overview of the case. And here, as you can see, well, this year the case does offer full protection because even the bottom portion is covered, and there is proper cutouts for the speaker and microphone grill along with a sufficiently wide lightning port cutout. But here, if the lightning cable you're going to use is a thicker third-party one, well then you'll be facing a bit of issues. And about the mute unmute slider, well that cutout is also just the sufficiently wide one, which does offer adequate spacing for toggling the mute unmute slider. And here all the buttons are covered, but they have good feedback, so that's a plus. And if in case you're wondering about the installation of the case, it's pretty easy, and all you have to do is that you start from the top left, then slide in the right and follow the same for the bottom portions. And since this is the official MagSafe supported one, you get a neat notification when you install the case. And once the case is installed, the fit is snug and there is no loose sections, and also the case does offer a bit of lay on the table protection too. I have installed a tempered glass screen guard here, and that's why the front protection part is not very evident, but here since there is a raise, you can lay the phone screen down without much worries. But then the best protection is for the cameras, because after installing the case, the camera section does stay flushed in so that the camera lens doesn't come in contact with any surfaces. And also one more thing to notice that after installing this case, the phone won't rock on a flat surface. So these are all great stuff, but as a reality check, there are a couple of issues with this case, which is one, it does attract lint and dust a lot, but then you can wipe it off, so that issue is not a major one. But then the second issue is the wear and tear. I've been using this case for about a month, and already there is signs of silicone rubbing off, and this did happen with all the previous Apple silicone cases, so that's like a cosmetic aging thing which happens over time. So if you have issues with these stuff, well then you might not like this case because here the price you're paying is very high. The Indian pricing of the silicone cases for the iPhone 12 series at present is 4,900 Indian rupees, and you get to choose from a variety of colors, and the color I have is the Plum one. I do like the way it blends with the blue color of the new iPhone 12 series, and that's why I did opt this color. Now before ending the video, some of the things that I love with the Apple silicone case is that the feel of the material is a very soft and grippy one, so once the case is installed, there is this very secure hold while using it, and also the case doesn't add much bulk to the phone. And for me, these two things are my favorite part with these cases, and that's why I always prefer to go for the official silicone case from Apple. And lastly, about the MagSafe part which we left out, well, if you prefer to use the new MagSafe charger from Apple, getting this case is like a must. The MagSafe charger does attach to this case pretty easily, and the connection it makes is very strong, and also this will act as a protection for the iPhone's back glass. Because MagSafe charger does leave a circle mark if you use it regularly, and that mark can be seen in the silicone case too, but then it can be wiped off, and this MagSafe charging method doesn't affect the silicone case's durability. So I guess that's everything about the new Apple silicone case for the iPhone 12 series. It's surely not a value for money accessory, but then if you want one of the best cases for your iPhone, this silicone case is surely top in that list. That's all for this video guys, hope you liked it. If so, a like is much appreciated and a sub will be great. See you again in the next one. Till then, bye.